Excuse me. Check, please.
Okay. How was everything?
Very nice, thank you.
Would you like this to go?
Yes. Can you put it in a plastic bag?
Sure, no problem. Here you are. That'll be $25.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.
Okay. Here you are.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Okay. Here you are.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come again.